Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammed Fakhrul and Sajib. Welcome back to our Java programming series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to count the total number of characters in a string. Suppose user will input subject output 5. The total number of characters 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To count the number of characters present in the string, we will iterate through the string and count the characters. Let's begin. First, we'll give one message. To do that, SOUT and press tab, new line. Please enter a string to count characters. Now we will take user input. To do that, we need scanner class. Scanner sc equal new scanner system dot in. We have to import Java util scanner. String steer equal sc dot next line. We need to count the characters. That's why we'll take one variable int count. First initializing as 0. Now for loop int I equals 0, I less than steer dot len semicolon I plus plus. Now we'll check condition if steer dot char I not equal to 20, then we'll count count plus plus, or you can write count equal count plus 1, or you can write count plus plus. This count count each character chk is character except space. Then SOUT plus tab, new line, the total number of characters plus count. First, user will get this message. Please enter string to count characters. Then user will give input and to check if character is not empty, the value of count will be incremented. Then we get the total number of characters. Save the project, run the project. Message. Sajib. And total number of characters is 5. Deleting ln. Checking again to save the project, run the project, giving my name Sajib. Then total number of characters will be 5. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.